Hi, this is Noah with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Do you need preventative maintenance kits for your autoclave? We got a huge variety of PM kits for any autoclave, all on our website. Do you need PM kits for your SciCan autoclaves? We've got you covered for any SciCan autoclave. We've got PM kits for the Bravo 17V, the Bravo 21V, the Bravo 17L, the Bravo 22L, the StatClave G4, the Statim 2000, Statim G4 2000, Statim 5000, and the G4 5000. Do you need Tuttnauer PM Kits? We've got those in stock as well, with the 1730M, 3870EA, the Elara 11, the EZ9, the EZ10, the TVET 10E, the T-Edge 11, and so many more on our website. Do you need PM kits for your Midmark autoclaves? We've got you covered for any Midmark too. We've got PM kits for the M9, the M9D, the M11, the M11D, and the M7. We even have PM kits for both the Enbio S and the W&H Lexa. If you have any questions about this or anything else, call us at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support.